Hi and welcome back to the channel, and today at home I'm going to be showing you how to do a sausage puff. Now this sausage puff is basically a Christmas line, but you can eat it all year round. And don't forget guys, your recipe is below the video in the description, and you can also find it on my Facebook at The Traditional Bakery. And now we'll get right on with the video. And for the recipe, you want 6 sausages, get the thin type ones, they're the best. Also you want some streaky smoked bacon, some cranberry, now this is just for Christmas, and also some beaten up egg. This is just 1 egg with a bit of milk. And also your main ingredient is puff pastry. This is 3mm thick and it's 13 centimeters square, or in old money, 5 inches. Right, the first thing you want to do is just dab a bit of egg on the side. Then all we're going to do is get your sausage and we're going to roll it up. And put it in the middle. Once again, get your bacon. And all we're going to do is roll it round the sausage. Now all we want to do is pop a bit of cranberry sauce on the side. You can put it on the top, or you can put it underneath. Now this is the fun job. All we're going to do is wrap the sausage over like that and put a stick in it. Strap it over, wrong way round. Wrap it over and put a stick in it. Roll it over and put a stick in it. The reason you use a stick is to stop it unfolding. No other reason. That's it. And now we'll pop these onto a tray. And now all we're going to do is egg wash the top. This is just to give it a bit of colour. And that's it. And all you want to do is rest these now for around about 30 minutes. Right, we've now rested them. Now we want to be baking these off for around about 25 minutes at an oven temperature of 200 Celsius, or in old money, 400 Fahrenheit. Anyway, we'll get them into the oven. And the sausage puffs are now ready, so we'll get them out the oven. They look absolutely lush. All we're going to do is pop these onto our cooling wire. They look scrummy. I've got to have one. It's as simple as that. Now it's that simple, we're going to have to try it out and test it. Now we've got bacon, sausage, and pastry and cranberry. What a Christmas combination. Oh, that's lush. And now all you need is the recipe, which you'll find under the video in the description. Also, you can find it on my Facebook page at The Traditional Bakery. Please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly in the Crazy Baker kitchen at home. Laters!